Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to return items on Zara. So first of all, launch Zara application on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now from here, go ahead and tap on the category of account. Now once you come here, you'll see the option of exchanges and returns. Tap on it. Now, at the bottom, you'll see the option of exchange or return. Tap on it. Now, if you have made certain orders, you would be able to see it over here. However, in my case, I do not have any orders placed yet, so it is not displayed. Also, if you can't find an item, it could be that the return deadline has already passed, which means that you have 30 days from the shipping date of your order to return it. So, if your deadline has exceeded 30 days, you won't be able to return an item to Zara. So, follow these easy steps in order to return an item to Zara. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.